This question came out in the mathematics paper of the 2023 GEP Screening Test. This is an example of the type of non-routine questions that are tested in the GEP identification exercise. Now, for some of these questions, they can be solved using the listing method, followed by a little bit of intelligent guess and check. What this simply means is that first, we should list all the possibilities for each case, then we analyze which combo satisfies the question. Okay, so let's dive right into the question. We are given a diagram showing 5 cards, and each card has a different number. So the two heroes in our story, Yang and Boon, they each picked 2 cards out of the 5. The 2 cards that Yang picked, they have a product of 18, while the 2 cards that Boon picked have a product of 12. So the question is, what is the number on the leftover card? First, let's list the cards that Yang could have drawn. The first set, 2 and 9, because 2 times 9 gives us 18, or 3 and 6, because similarly 3 times 6 gives us 18. Then we do the same thing for Boon. The possible cards Boon could have drawn are 2 and 6, because the product of 2 and 6 is 12, or 3 and 4, because the product of 3 and 4 is 12. Now that we've listed all the possible combos, we just need to match them to see which pairing works. Case number 1. If Yang had picked 2 and 9, Boon couldn't have picked 2 and 6. Why? Because 2 is common in both sets. Thus, if Yang had picked 2 and 9, Boon must have picked 3 and 4. Case number 2. If Yang had picked 3 and 6, Boon wouldn't be able to pick either of his 2 combos. Why? Because each of them contains one of Yang's cards, the 3 or the 6. Now that we know for sure that Yang picked 2 and 9 and Boon picked 3 and 4, the remaining card must be 6. Problem solved.